absolutely no equipment needed. All you need is yourself and some water. I hope you enjoy it. We'll get into the main part of the exercises, okay? So we're going to start with just walking on the spot. We're going to get our heart rate up nice and slowly, okay? So walking on the spot. Make sure we're moving our arms. Okay, we're going to bring up the pace a bit more, come into a march like this. Picking up our knees. Okay, we're going to bring it into a nice light jog now. 1 foot at a time. Keep those feet nice and light on the floor. Get that steady pace. Focus on your breathing. Okay, we're going to pick up the pace now, slightly faster. Picking up our feet off the floor a bit more. And coming back into a nice light jog. And back into a march. High knees. Really good. 10 more seconds. Keep those knees nice and high. Okay, well done. We're going to do cross toe taps now. So we're going to stand, legs nice and wide apart, hands up in the air like this. We're going to bring our left foot up to meet our right hand, like this, in the middle. And then our right foot up to meet our left hand, like this, squeezing in our belly as we meet in the middle. Okay, so left foot to right hand, right foot to left hand. Good, left to right, right to left. Keep it going, big squeeze in the middle. And right, left, and right. Make sure we're bringing our hands back up to the sky. Right, left, right. 2 more on each side. Left and right. Last one and right. Excellent work. Let's wind those shoulders back. Let's make big circles with our shoulders. And forwards. That's great. Let's wind the wrists in towards each other. Nice big circles. And the other direction. Excellent. Okay, we're going to just wind the ankle now. Hold on to something if you need to for balance. Wind one ankle in towards your body. And then the other way. Good, and then the other leg, right leg in. And then wind it out. That's really good. Okay, next we're going to start into some more cardio, okay? So we're going to come into some butt kicks. What it is, basically, we're jogging on the spot, bringing our feet back towards our bum as if we're kicking our bum, okay? So it looks like this. You can go as fast or as slow as your level allows you, okay? So in position, are we ready? 4 butt kicks. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Keep those feet nice and high behind you. 1 leg at a time. Keep it going. Halfway there. You're doing really well. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Have a little drink if you need some water.